Y'all, we can't keep holding on to the reins of things. We can't keep keeping young people out of stuff. We can't keep acting like they're here to replace us. I got news for you. They are. So Eli imparts into Samuel so that Samuel can learn to hear from God on his own. If we do this right, if we do this well, they are supposed to replace us. How does the gospel keep going forward when you got people who are getting older and dying? They have to impart the word of God into the younger ones who have the energy. But we who are older have wisdom. I see churches getting older and older and older and older, and they are hoarding all of the wisdom, and we got young people out here with all the energy just being dumb and stupid because we don't come together. Stop looking at them as they are a threat to you. Technology has changed. Opportunities are different. The internet actually works. It's no longer dial up. Young folks coming to the church with crazy good ideas, and the old folks shut them down because they refuse to learn something new. This is how the devil fights the church. So he pits the church against each other from a generational standpoint and then from a cultural standpoint, and before you know it, you just old and segregated by yourself. That's not what God desires.